When it comes to maintaining the performance and comfort of your CLS550 or CLS400 W218 RWD, your suspension system plays a crucial role. Over time, front air suspension shocks and struts can wear down, compromising ride quality, handling, and vehicle stability. Installing a high-quality replacement pair is one of the most effective ways to restore your vehicle's driving performance. This pair of front air suspension shocks and struts, compatible with part numbers A21832032213, A21832066613, and A21832031113, is designed to do exactly that. Air suspension components are not just functional, they are integral to maintaining your car's precise engineering. They help control ride height, absorb shocks from uneven roads, and ensure consistent tire contact with the road surface. Worn-out shocks and struts can lead to a harsh ride, poor handling, and uneven tire wear. By upgrading to this replacement pair, you restore smoothness, stability, and confidence while driving. These shocks and struts are manufactured to meet OEM standards, ensuring precise fitment and performance. Their design allows them to integrate seamlessly into the existing air suspension system of CLS550 and CLS400 W218 RWD vehicles. This compatibility means they perform reliably without requiring additional modifications. Whether navigating tight corners, cruising at highway speeds, or driving over rough city roads, these components provide the consistent performance your vehicle was engineered to deliver. Durability is a key feature. Constructed from high-quality materials, these shocks and struts resist wear, corrosion, and pressure-related damage. They are tested to ensure long-lasting performance, allowing you to drive with confidence knowing that your suspension will remain dependable over time. From daily commuting to extended road trips, they maintain the handling characteristics essential to a safe and smooth ride. One of the most noticeable benefits of installing these replacement shocks and struts is the improvement in ride comfort. A worn suspension system can cause bouncing, vibration, and a feeling of instability. With this replacement pair, road imperfections are absorbed more effectively, giving a smoother and more refined driving experience. Luxury vehicles like the CLS series are engineered for comfort, and these components restore that premium ride quality. Handling and steering precision are also significantly enhanced. Worn shocks and struts reduce responsiveness, which can lead to less confident driving. By installing this replacement pair, the front suspension regains its original control, allowing for accurate steering and more predictable handling. This makes driving not only more enjoyable but also safer, especially in demanding conditions or during emergency maneuvers. Installation has been designed with convenience in mind. These shocks and struts match factory mounting points, simplifying the replacement process. They come as a pair, ensuring balanced performance on both sides of the vehicle while professional installation is recommended to guarantee safety and precision. The straightforward design reduces complexity and makes the upgrade process more accessible. Compatibility is precise and reliable. These front air suspension shocks and struts are designed specifically for CLS550 and CLS400 W218 RWD models. The part numbers A21832032213, A21832066613, and A21832031113 ensure an exact fit, eliminating concerns about incorrect installation or compatibility issues. Properly matched components help preserve the integrity of your air suspension system and maintain the vehicle's intended performance. Long-term value is another advantage. Replacing worn shocks and struts helps protect other suspension and steering components, reducing the risk of additional repairs. It also prolongs the lifespan of tires by ensuring even wear and optimal contact with the road. Investing in these replacement components not only restores performance but also contributes to lower maintenance costs over time. Reliability is ensured through rigorous quality control. Each shock and strut is tested under various road and weather conditions, including pressure and durability assessments, to guarantee consistent performance. With these replacements, you can drive with peace of mind knowing that the suspension system is functioning correctly, providing both comfort and safety. Aesthetics and vehicle stance are additional considerations. Worn suspension components can cause a sagging front end, affecting both appearance and handling. Installing this